Hi, this is Lauren Younger at the University of Dallas Library, and today I'm going to show you how to access and use a database called ERIC. ERIC stands for Education Resources Information Center, and we have a couple links for the ERIC database. You're going to access ERIC at the library homepage, udallas.edu/library, and once you're there, you can scroll down a little bit on your page and click on the fourth tab here for databases. Go ahead and select E, and you'll see two links here for ERIC. One link is for the free version that you can access online without being logged in to the UD network. And the version we're going to look at today is the EBSCO database ERIC. And the reason we're going to use the EBSCO version of ERIC today is for its more user-friendly interface, although you're welcome to use whichever one you prefer. Go ahead and click on ERIC EBSCO. The first thing we're going to look at in ERIC is the thesaurus, and you'll see the thesaurus right here on the top of your database homepage. Go ahead and click on thesaurus. The thesaurus is a great advantage in this database. We can look for a term and find other related terms very easily and add those to our search box. You can go ahead and type achievement tests here into the second search box. This is the box that will search the thesaurus. This is the box that will search the database, and we're not quite ready to do that yet. So type achievement tests here. And hit browse. And when you see your term, go ahead and click on it to expand it. You'll see some details listed here below, terms that are broader, terms that are narrower, and terms that are related. For this example, we're going to select educational testing, and we're going to select achievement tests, our original term. And to add those to your search box, you can click right here and click add. And you'll see a search string formatted for you, DE achievement tests or DE educational testing. The DE in this case stands for subject, so we're telling the database to search by subject. Go ahead and hit search, and you'll see a list of results. If we wanted to limit those results, we could do that here on the left side. So let's say I am looking for peer-reviewed academic journals, and let's say that I want them to be very recent publications. I'm only looking for something from the last couple of years, so I'm going to change this to 2018 and leave this 2019 and push enter to update my result lists. So now I have a much more manageable list of results. I winnowed it down from several thousand to just 378, and I can look through those results and see if any of them fit my research needs. Let's try a new search. This time I'd like to show you a feature in ERIC called intended audience. So the intended audience for an article in an education database might be a school administrator or a teacher or a caregiver. And for this example, let's say that parents are our intended audience. So I can either type AI, which stands for intended audience, and then parents, or I can just leave parents in the search box, and I can select intended audience here from the drop-down menu by scrolling down a little bit. Either way will work just fine using the drop-down menu or typing AI directly into my search box. And let's say I'm looking for articles on the subject of reading, and I'm going to choose reading as my descriptors or my subject. And you can go ahead and hit search. I have 756 results, If I'd like to see where those results are coming from that have parents as the target audience, I can scroll down a little bit here and look on the left side. And under publication, I can see that more of my results come from Alliance for Excellent Education than from any other source. I'm going to alter my search a little bit to show the contrast between the different intended audiences. Now, if I keep reading as a descriptor, but I change my intended audience to teachers, let's see if I have more or less results. So you'll see I have many more results, close to 6,000 results, if I am looking for articles geared towards teachers rather than articles geared towards parents. One more thing I'd like to point out in this database is the help feature. If you select help and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on your left-hand side here under Database Help for ERIC, you'll see all the tips and tricks that EBSCOhost is recommending for using this database, including searchable fields, tips for using Boolean operators, and kind of reasoning on how the database has been constructed. So that's going to be a great tool for you. If you do need any assistance using this database, I hope that you'll contact the library. You can call us at any time at 972-721-5315. Stop by in person, send an email to reference@udallas.edu, or text the library at 972-325-5336.